Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to remove Shadowban on Reddit account, you come to the right place. So, first of all, how we can ensure that we are Shadowbanned on Reddit? So, first of all, we need to write a comment on any subreddit post. So, just simply, as you can say, write a comment. And now I need to copy link on this post, open incognito window, uh, add link, and now we need to open comments, sorted by newest comments, and as you can see there is no comment which I left, so I'm Shadowban. How so we can remove Shadowban? We need to go to Reddit help, reddit.com, so just simply write it in the search bar. Here we need to request a post, and now we need to write our problem. We need to type text about that we want to be how it's we need to explain our issue and be polite and provide the necessary details. Once we've done that, click on send request and just be patient. They will remove your shadow ban. And after this improved, just stay polite and follow community standards. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.